The war for AI dominance has begun. China and the United States are locked in a high-stakes battle for global AI supremacy. Billions of dollars are being poured into research. Breakthroughs are happening at lightning speed, and the future of technology and the world hangs in the balance. So, who's really winning? China or the US? Today, we'll uncover the mind-blowing AI advancements from both nations and reveal the ultimate AI superpower. Stay till the end, because some of these developments will blow your mind. First up, China's AI revolution. The country is making insane progress in AI, and here's how. Ernie Bot 4.0, China's answer to ChatGPT. Baidu's latest AI model is crushing tasks in Chinese faster and more efficiently than ever before. AI-powered surveillance. China has the most advanced facial recognition system on Earth, monitoring 1 billion plus citizens in real time with AI-driven security cameras. That's next-level control. Huawei's AI chips. Despite US sanctions, China is now producing cutting-edge AI chips that are closing the gap with NVIDIA's processors. AI robots. Ever heard of China's fully automated AI factories? Robots are running entire manufacturing plants with little to no human intervention. Now let's talk about the United States. If China is pushing forward, the US is fighting back with some of the most advanced AI ever seen. GPT-5 and OpenAI. OpenAI is leading the world in generative AI, with GPT-5 rumored to be more intelligent than any AI ever built. Tesla's AI robots. Elon Musk's Optimus bot is being trained to handle real-world tasks like a human. We could be a few years away from AI-powered assistants in every home. Google's Gemini AI. Google's latest AI model is set to revolutionize search engines, chatbots, and deep learning. DARPA's AI military projects. The US is developing AI-powered autonomous fighter jets and self-learning military drones. This is AI warfare on another level. So, who's winning the AI race? China is leading in surveillance AI, AI factories, and hardware production. The US dominates in AI models, robotics, and military applications. The truth? The battle is far from over. But one thing is clear, AI is the future, and the country that controls AI controls the world. What do you think? Will China take the AI lead, or will the US remain the global AI superpower? Drop a comment below. Subscribe now for weekly AI breakdowns and cutting-edge tech updates. See you in the next one.